GCU London is situated in an amazing location. It's a fashion hotspot, and the luxury and fashion market here is very vibrant. Also, GCU London is an international university, so my classmates, they are all coming from different countries. I'm really enjoying working and studying with them because we can share different and very refreshing ideas and thoughts together. Yeah. And I really like the module of digital fashion branding and marketing. It gave me the freedom to design my own brand vision, and through how it should be advertised and how to communicate with our target customer. It really provided me with a good insight into fashion industry and teach me how to know the operation of a fashion business from a practical perspective. The best thing about being a student in London is having easy access to some of the most exclusive or excited events such as London Fashion Show or Notting Hill Gate Carnival. And there's something new going on in London, from the world famous museums to one of innovative exhibitions. Life as a student at GCU London is quite enjoyable. And the staff are really supportive, and the course is great. The lectures are informative, well structured, and interesting. And the tutors really help you to understand fashion industry. And outside the lecture, I enjoy spending time with my friends and that I have made while studying at this course.